Well, hey there, folks. It's Dub, and it's April, and we've got our survival box. Our survival box is ready to open up here. So, no guesses. Let's just get into it and see what it is. All right. So, got a little 3-piece tape there. Put the knife away for safety, and we'll open her up. Okay. So, here is the card that it comes with. If anybody wants to read that, you're more than welcome to. You can go ahead and pause that if you want. Personally, I just go through the box and check it out myself. All right. So first things first, right off the top here, there's some Mountain House. It looks like pasta primavera. And so far from all the kind of take-ready foods like this, Mountain House for me has been one of the best ones so far. We'll have to test this out and see, but I've liked their quality. They all kind of have a little bit of a freeze-dried flavor. You can kind of tell somewhat, but still pretty good. So we'll have to try that out. All right. And I'm going to skip, well, now we'll go with the other Mountain House one for now, just so we can get those both out of the way. So this one is freeze-dried granola with milk and blueberries. That sounds delicious. Alrighty. Okay, so over here off to the right-hand side, I'm seeing some kind of a bottle. It does have the Survival Box's logo on here. Pretty thin. I mean, real thin, but I mean, it would hold water. Does it have any kind of a size on here? I don't see one. But it looks to be 20-something, 30-something ounces. So, alright, water bottle. Little Zippo Kit here. This could be kind of cool. So, aluminum fuel canister stores Zippo fuel and flints. So we've got a waterproof lighter and a fuel canister. That's interesting. Let's see if we can open that up here real fast. Let's go ahead and tear this packaging a little bit. Put the knife away and see if we can just get that out of there. Oh, there we go. Alright, so everybody's seen a Zippo lighter. We all know how those work. It does have a little warning on the back there, though. But the little fuel canister, I was kind of interested in that. So there's some little, I don't know, bits on here. I don't know if there's little tools or what that is, but this thing opens up. Oh, I guess you can put the fuel in there, and then you have a little to-go fuel. Okay, that makes sense, I suppose. You can pour a little in there, and then have that in a bag, and that probably won't leak as much as those plastic bottles will. Alright, that's interesting. We should try that out. And this is the Explorer little carabiner compass. It does point north. Close. Well, yeah, it gets kind of close. I don't know. I've never been the biggest fan of small little cheapy compasses. They just don't ever seem to be super quality. This thing does appear to be plastic and pretty light. So I mean, again, it's like a general kind of thing. It might work, but I wouldn't really rely on these type deals too much myself. Okay, so going in and looking, and we've got the emergency drinking waters. These two are mainstay, and these two are Mayday. So we've gotten those before. We'll put those with our other waters. And a 2019 Road Atlas, which, I don't know, I'm honestly a little bit confused about. I guess it's a good thing to have, but it seems like, I mean, if the power went out, I guess, or you didn't have cell service, but I don't know, it's a little old school. We'll see here. Alright, and then they have the Survival Garden non-GMO heirloom seeds is Giant Noble Spinach. And the Survival Knowledge card is using a Road Atlas for survival, so I guess that's how, obviously, those things are supposed to go together. Map of potential high-value target areas to avoid during an ICBM attack. That's, I guess, good to know. Although, looks like someone got a hole punch through Southern California there. Some emergency urban evacuation and homeland security evacuating planning tips. Alright, I don't know. For me, I'd say it's a little light this month. Road Atlas, I guess. The Zippo thing's pretty cool. I like that. It's probably the best thing in the whole pack. The water bottle is pretty chintzy, I'll be honest. But there it is. I'm really looking forward to trying out both the pasta primavera and the granola here. Those are always tasty. The seeds, of course. There is the compass and our waters. All right, folks. This is Dub signing off. I'll catch you in the next one.